the availability to select and assign dates in mass. So this one is one that I want to give everybody a big caution sign. Bleep, bleep, bleep. This can be dangerous in some fashion, but definitely extremely usable. So whenever you're in your contacts, maybe I come in here and I've marked a few different people of different types. Um, oops. Um, so come in here. I'm gonna mark several of them here. I select the different contacts in the group, and I want to do a mass update. So I can come over here and say update selected contacts. Prior to the update, we only let you change out the different drop boxes and stuff. We added some fields for city, state, and zip a few months ago, but you can add and remove tags. But we now have added the ability to update date fields. So if for the selected contacts, maybe you wanted to come in here and you wanted to add, say, an event date, and you pick the event date as being the 24th and at 4 o'clock. There's some kind of event that they're going to go to at 4 o'clock on the 24th. If I hit update this, it will then go to each record and it will apply this date to the event date field, which is fabulous. It's great. The challenge, the warning, the hey, this is the big red flag moment. If you have a routine assigned to that date, that routine will kick off on every one of these like it's supposed to, which is great. But with great power comes great responsibility. If you have 1,000 of these, it will create 1,000 routine entries into your database, and you may not want that. So make sure before you select a date that you don't have some automated field running on that it would create that if you don't want it to be doing that. If you want it to do it, it will certainly do it. It'll go through and it'll add that date and it'll process each one of those. So this now opens up a whole world of things that you can do by like mass starting the routines for everything that you've got in there. If you really wanted to, just be careful with that.